So as you know, I just crashed the drone, so I need propellers. And I couldn't find the propellers that I wanted anywhere in Europe except from Budapest. So I came here, and if you find yourself in this street, it's the correct street. It looks like a normal house, but it isn't. Once you get here,
hello.
hi, you find this door, and you press the button, and this nice guy comes. And
hello.
Look, this is a really nice place where you can actually test your drones if it got fixed or if you're buying a new one. And then you have a store too inside. Yes, cool. Look at this. Oh, and it's 40 freaking degrees. It's very hot.
Yes,
It's very hot in Budapest. So wow, look at this place. It's amazing. Very cool. Can I show the storage?
Yes.
And then you have storage with everything in its place, which is very cool. I won't show you this too much because I don't want you to copy, but they have everything. So yeah, I'm gonna make some shopping here, and then I'll talk to you guys later. See ya! There go the kids. Yeah, this is the Hungarian Parliament building, and that's another pretty building. Yes, it's very pretty. Everything is very pretty everywhere. So back to the pub. It's 40 degrees out. It's very hot. Yeah, okay, so granted, the details on the buildings are pretty astonishing. Still, I like beer more. Having fun?
Yes.
Look at the plate they gave us.
Vai.
Batata? Batata. There you go. 5,000 monies for things that you see. It's pretty cool.